I would agree. I can see a drip like forming on my head. I'm so red. You look so cute all the time. Girls, we be going.
Naive and 19 in the fallacies of fantasy and that voodoo palace for you and me, but I see over that I'm getting older, and some weeks a quarter, but the days they get shorter and more try to thought of, but I'm left okay. 'Cause she's my Irish, she's my Thomas, she's my city wasting, killing patience. I love.
Just collected our goods from the doodle place.
You ready? Oh my god, it's not that bad.
Oh my god, the color is amazing. Oh my god, I would still buy that. Little, what is it again? A spoon holder?
Yeah, a spoon rest.
A spoon rest. Oh my god, it's really bright. That outside's really bright.
I love it.
Said I'd love to count the days, but they pass on by. Said I'd love to count the days, but they're gone with
Sam,
time.
how excited are you for the round?
Look, boo, I know it kills. You're under the influence of all your feels, and you talk, you try, but you lie, so you cry. But do
Size of your
not
head.
worry, it'll all be behind. 'Cause she's my Irish, she's my Thomas, she's my city wasting, killing patience. I love count days, but they just go by.
Oh my god, look, it's like car dash cam. Hi everyone, so I'm back from the insane workout at Tribe. It's a new like studio or gym that opened in Edinburgh a couple of weeks ago actually, and there's a couple of like locations across the UK and like Leeds and like Bristol, I think. It was one of those like group workouts where there's like stations in a really dark room with like multicolored lights and like really loud music, and a guy with the mic just like really shouting at you to keep trying and like changing speeds. It was extremely intense. There was like a treadmill station, a weight section, and then a watt bike, which really killed me off. The watt bike, because it was like my last station at the end of each round, I was just dead. I was trying, but I was also like, this is me trying, and I was going in slow motion. I would have filmed, but no one else took in their phone, and I didn't want to be the only one filming, and also like you're filming loads of other people, so I don't know if that was like weird. I did film the like inside of the actual studio, which was really nice. It was like a New York warehousey vibe with loads of cool sofas and things, although I would really not want to sit on that sofa after a workout. A really nice day. I think I'm definitely like entering that stage of my life where you would rather go for brunch, or like not brunch, well yeah, go for like a workout and then brunch and then like a wander around the city, rather than like going out on a Friday and then like being all hungover on a Saturday or doing the same thing on a Saturday. I think drinking is better when it's daytime and with food. Am I getting too old for my age? I think so. I don't know what I'm doing today, which is such a nice feeling, just like not knowing what you're doing and not having like a rigid plan. I might clean for a bit, tidy. Don't know how much of the mess you can see behind me. I'm kind of tactfully hiding it right now, but I've also just realized that I've actually been off like making videos for so long that I haven't showed you my new hair, and it's also like already grown out quite a bit, and it's actually a lot lighter than when I first got it, because when I first got it, it was like a beige, the color of a really well toasted burger bun. Actually, I did film it a little bit, so I'll put in little clips of it when I first got it done over over the top of me speaking, but yeah, I got this done over my balayage that I had before because the balayage was just growing out so much that it started to look a bit silly because like my hair would be really black here and then it would be like suddenly really blonde. But I am getting it redone soon because I was like, I'm gonna try this out because the balayage was really hard to style, but I did love it and I felt really like confident and really good with it. So I'm just gonna get it back done. And then this hair, I actually love this as well, but it looks really funky when my hair is up and I just don't like it. I thought I would love it and I did for like the first week, but after a week I was like, don't know if I like it as much. Like I love it when it's down and when my hair is like styled. And the balayage just lasted so long. It lasted like 1.5 years, which if you think about it, that's a long time for like hair to last. And it was really worth my money as well. So we're getting that done at the end of the month. I'm so excited.
Our buddy too, so I don't think I can count on the girls at all right now. So, seriously? How are you today, sis? Aw, so sweet.
Lay it on me, T.
Message. After as you said, that shouldn't matter. Message. On to the T. Strategy. Exclamation. Hashtag keep it real.
This is giving me music, this is giving me concert, me and my girls.
Popping up in here, but no party's complete without a good game. Wonder if the circle has anything.
I would rather pass out of heat exhaustion than reveal my true colors.
He's an immovable object, right? Grab that no pictures?
Yes! This is mine! And calculated. Oh.
I'm going to rate Mitchell in first.
This should go home. So for that reason,
Please submit my rating. Message. The player we have decided to block is done. Look, you see Kat? You see her? Our BBQ.
It's on our way to meet one of you now.
To like everybody. You know, it took me a long time to realize that Courtney and River were besties ever. Yeah. I think when I worked with them, it was like, then I would break up my alliance with Chloe. And then like I couldn't do that. My advice to you is you better definitely sis. Yeah. Kiki and
So I'm doing that classic employer thing of walking with a call, and it looks so pretty around here. So quiet. I can just hear the birds.
lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt, scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hills, sky color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight. Endless roads to the horizon, past the oasis, it's all behind you. Mirage of agua, the stars above you, the creatures' days to nocturnal days. Makes you forget about.
We're in the north of Scotland, about to go even more north in Scotland.
Arizona thunder, satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the